back to Moonstone Crafts, and welcome back to an unboxing. Or like an unbagging, I don't know. I just called it unboxing, even though it's not in a box. I opened the seal already. It didn't come that way because there was an address on this side and I didn't want to show it from the one that it came from. So let's get it out because I've been exciting. It's actually New Year's Day today, you guys. So I got it the day before and I didn't have time to film it because I had to work on the day that it was New Year's Eve, so I didn't have the time because in the evening, of course, I went celebrating, so that's it. So as you can see, it's a little pen. It's in a pouch and it says a little note. It says thank you, and it's from the famous shop Sapelou Beau Latour. I don't know. I hope I say that right. I'm not French. I did have French in school for like 3 years, but I'm not very good. And I heard other people pronounce it, but I didn't go back to check how they pronounce it so I could say it the same way because I was too excited. But that's what you get with it. And this is the pen. It's in a nice, very nice little pocket, little bag. So I'm very curious. I've ordered it from their Etsy. Let me see, what day did I order it? Can I remember? I can look it up before we do the actual review, because this is going to be a quick video because there's not much to review except for this pen. When did I buy it? I bought it December 22. Let's say it like that because I always have trouble with that date for some reason. December 22, 2021. So I got it the 31st of 2021. So that's pretty fast because it comes from French. But I know stuff from French comes here pretty quickly. So this is just that you can choose a blank and a shape and stuff like that, so you can make them a bit custom. So I didn't think it would come this fast, but they shipped pretty fast. I was very impressed. So let's see this pen. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. There we go. Look at that. That is nice. So I didn't know what shape to go for, so this is exciting for me too. And if this is going good, I might have find a new addiction to buy from, because I want more of these probably. I like this. This looks cool. This is a different kind because I didn't know what blank to go for, so I had multiple options that I was thinking of. So I might definitely buy more pens from them to try the other ones that I also wanted. But I want to see if this shape that this pen comes in is comfortable. So it comes actually with a tin 4-placer, I think. No, 7-placer even. Oh no, 4. It says 4. I don't know. I just got thinking. Maybe you can see it now that it says 4. And then just, you could also get it with the metal tips, so I might do that next time. But for now, this is good. I don't mind these tips. So I'm gonna use it today and see how it works out. So I'm really happy with it. Thank you so much, Nicholas, I think. That's the owner of the shop. And I'll try it out and maybe buy some more. So this is just a quick video. Please let me know if you have any pens from this company. And if you like them and what kind of colors you have. This is my first one from them and probably there will be more coming. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you the next time. Bye!